What I'm going to start out first with is a gray color. A gray color, ceramic gray. I'm going to do the palm tree, the dark part of the palm tree first before we put the light stuff in. This is going to give us a shadowy background. Some of the grassy areas. I think I'll just fill that. I'm going to keep it light. Keep it sandy. Sandy color. Curve motion. You give it the illusion that it's more of a rounded. It's more rounded. A little bit of waves coming in, maybe a little bit more down here. Since it's closer to shore, kind of shadowing